Hey guys, Dustin with Cowboy Dodge. Got a 19 to 22 1-ton dually bed in black with the factory puck system. This one has been damaged pretty bad on one side. Other hip is fine on the driver's side. If you want to inquire about this one, call us today at 501-745-5333. Also got a red tailgate off of a looks like about an 18 model. I don't know if it's a new one or not. It might be newer. Might be a 1921. Yeah, it's actually off of a newer one. So 19 to 22 on the bed with factory puck system and one good bedside. Front portion of it is good too. This is a diamond black with the factory fifth wheel prep. Call us today, 501-745-5333. Thanks, guys.